In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in ABBYY FineReader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here and you want to click on Edit Content. And then from here, it's going to start basically loading a few seconds. And there we go. Now it's done. And as you can see, I can click inside these text boxes. And this is going to allow me to basically edit the PDF. So I could go ahead and, of course, select any text here. I could go and replace it like this. Just start typing. I could go and just delete it like that. I could go and add to the text. I could do whatever I want with that. And of course, this is possible within every text box. I could go and also extend these. I could go and basically hover over this text and I could change its font up here. I could change its size. I could make it bold, italic, underline, whatever. Of course, you can change all different formatting here as well as the font color, stuff like that. Pretty much anything can be edited. And of course, you can also edit things like images over here. So if I select this image, I'm also able to kind of resize it using these kind of like rectangles or squares over here on the sides, and I can do that as well. And of course, you could also right click and delete different things. You can send them to back, etc. There's a bunch of different things you could do here within this edit page. Of course, you could also edit headers and footers up here if you want to, and then you can also add in pictures. You could add in text. So for example, if I do picture over here, I can go to downloads, find a picture in here like this one, click on open, and there we go. It's gonna pop in the image right here. Pretty cool. You can also add text, like click on add text. I'm going over here, typing in whatever I want, and of course I can change this font, text, etc., all the formatting. And yeah, that's pretty much how you edit a PDF inside ABBYY FineReader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.